Hello, students and folks. So let's welcome back another important session. Okay, so this is part of project interview questions. Let's try to check the question. How do you manage your extra load at your workplace in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? You take any software for that matters. So what the interviewer is expecting, okay, how you can able to handle your work pressure. Okay, so it's a simple question. If you fumble here and there and I don't take extra work, then you are demotivated team player in the workforce for that particular project. So let's try to check some good answers. Okay, so see, all these are the points. First thing, you say that I will prioritize my tasks day to day. For example, if you are working in support project, day to day, I will check my queue. What are all the tickets I supposed to handle it? And on top of it, I need my cross-module coordination for my teammates to help on their tickets wherever the integration is available. And certain times, you will have a surprises like, priority one and priority two tickets, or else severity one and severity tickets. And you just have to manage the time for that. I'll make a plan, sudden or urgent changes with regular plan change. Okay, I'll just make a regular plan change. I'll try to set priorities for sudden and urgent changes. Okay, see why we have to prioritize the list. For example, certain defect it is causing, suppose it might be SLA, service level agreement is expiring, so that will be priority defect compared with other defects. At the same time, even if it is low priority defect and it such certain times it has a good SLAs, but users say that they are going to, it's a month-end activity or they are going to lose certain edge on their actions for the defect, you have to take that one as a priority. So I will prioritize my task, what I supposed to handle, whether it is implementation or rollout or else it can be enhancement project. I'll just prioritize my requirements, my tasks. And second thing is that I'll give priority to sudden and urgent changes when compared with backlog. Okay, regular backlog. If everything is prioritized, certain times you need to discuss with your colleague and lead or manager. So you need to seek certain work help from your fellow colleagues. Certain time you just need to buy their time. If they have, suppose you have a lot of work, okay, that's supposed to handle by your colleague also. So he has a bandwidth, you don't have time, so you have to prioritize. You have to transfer knowledge and get the things done. That is also there. Once you become a senior, you'll come to know generally 99% of colleagues will help. At the same time, they don't help also. Okay, that is the case. We'll do estimate and achievable goals. This is very, very important when you get a requirements. Suppose this 6 months you're supposed to handle 6 functional specification. We have to check the the time taking, the time for how much time it will take for development, how much time it will take for unit testing and integration testing. Finally, what are all the bottlenecks? So all these things you will come to know by with experience. You'll come to know. Don't shy to give the timelines. Always give the more timelines rather than actual, so that uneven surprises around that solution. Okay, so we'll do estimates and achievable goals and split the task into subtasks. For example, someone has sent like for LSMW, you're supposed to load some 30,000 customers. Okay, probably you can able to do it, but you can split the file into 3,000, 2,000 like that. Suppose two SD colleagues are there, you can able to you can able to the file into subtasks and you can able to share each other like that. I'm just telling an example. As an LSMW, it can be anything for that matters, even functional specifications also. Manage time for meeting and quick decisions. Okay, so you have to manage time for meeting. See, in my current project, like morning they'll start, so in second shift 11 a.m. I'll log in, so 12:30 one call that will continue for almost 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So out of your 10 hours, 2 hours gone, and after that there is one more defect triage call. That will go for another 1.5 hours, 3 hours. It is gone for calls. And apart from that, your client coordination and ABAPs, it will go for another 2 to 3 hours. So that's why you just have to manage for meetings and quick discussions, because in short discussions will help you out to to make the things faster. Okay, small breaks, it is very very important. Never say that I work continuously. Okay, 8 hours, 9 hours. Oh, I'm not leaving the system. Don't listen all these things. Someone is say in one of my old project, one idiotic manager is there. Okay, what he used to do. So in office hours, he's going for shuttle. Okay, and night, that means he's going somewhere around 3 p.m. leaving the project, and night around somewhere around 8:30 he's coming back to the office, and still I am working in office. He's taking selfie and putting in Facebook. There he would like to show off to his peers, his managers, like delivery lead and all those stuff. Don't do those kind of things. You cannot be a false person in your life. Okay, dishonest person. Okay, maybe for getting into the job you might have done something, but you should be honest enough to handle the things. Okay, that's all for today. Probably you can make a note it down and prepare your mindset. You cannot able to use the same way. Even I'm explaining, I will try to explain in my own way for this question answer. Okay. So what else? What do you want? Please ask in comments. Okay. So what should I do? SAP, it's been a long time to explain the things. Okay. So this is one thing I would like to tell. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more inputs like this. And currently I'm holding 5,600 and plus students. All these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. I think you better utilize these two courses. One is for idocs. Certainly you will be filtered in your interviews, and in your work, you will find difficulty. If you don't know how to write functional specification, I strongly recommend these two courses. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. I wish you all the best. Be honest. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Thank you.